What's going on YouTube? It's your boy D.Ford here. I'm actually gonna go do my first car meet tonight since we are Mopar. And I haven't really pulled out the boosted 6, but goodness gracious, look how dirty she is. I mean, ugh. Well, we need to go ahead and get this car clean. So while I'm cleaning the car, you guys can enjoy the intro, alright? Alright, got it done. We're clean. We're cleaner. We can make it cleaner, but just for meat, it doesn't need to be spotless. Now, the car's clean. I need to change. Let's go ahead and do that. Tight. Now we're ready. Let's go. Alright, what is good, fam? We are now situated. Got the car clean. I'm clean. We're gonna go ahead and go to this little meet here. As you guys know, I live in Alabama. The car scene is not what I honestly thought it was going to be. The car scene here does have a lot of potential, but it's nothing like a Dallas, Fort Worth, or Houston car scene. So I like to try to get out as much as possible, mix and mingle, meet some people. But it's just not what you would think. So this meet starts at 7. I'm gonna go ahead a little bit after 7 right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull up.
Oh baby, Shaka on the beat, Shaka on the beat, Shaka on the beat, Shaka on the beat.
So we got the new to the family.
Oh yeah, man. Hey, like we said in a video a little while back, but for some reason it ain't come out, man. I'm out here letting old D-Dot check it out, man. I just got back from home in Greensboro, you know, shooting a video of it. So I don't know if it probably it probably won't be up by the time he upload this. So old Ford over here checking it out, man. Hey, what you got to say about it, man?
We here at this car meet. Our boy D Frank pulled up, and he pulled up with his new toy. And if you guys haven't subscribed to his channel, make sure you do so. If you guys are subscribed to his channel, you probably already know that he's added something to his fleet. I don't want to give too much away. I'm just going to give my first impression of it. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's actually something that I want to add to my fleet of vehicles. Maybe not this same trim, and I can go more in detail about it, but I don't want to give it away. So I know you guys are trying to guess what he has. Good luck. I haven't seen no one get close to it yet. I haven't seen no one get close to it. I don't know if you're going to get close to it, but go ahead and comment below. What do you think he's got? And make sure you head over to his channel, because I think he's going to reveal it here pretty soon. All right, so I'm back. That was the meet. I was actually kind of impressed with the showing. Like I said earlier, you know, Montgomery, you know, we have potential for a decent car scene. Now, it's not, like I said, it's nothing like Dallas. It's definitely nothing like Houston. Nothing like Cali. But, you know, when it comes to the car community, you really want to, for me, I like to get out and network. I like to talk to people. I like to get to know people. Because when you do that, you can save yourself so much money, so much time, so much, you know, saving a headache. Because, you know, one of my stories is I had, you know, my wife scraped my old Ferrata wheels, and I was ready to call Ferrata and buy new ones. But thanks to the car community, I was able to find someone, shout out to the rim doctor here in Montgomery, Alabama, to fix my wheel and make it look brand new. So we're definitely, you know, I was coming out there, we talked with some people, we're looking to grow. So my plan is I'm gonna try to advertise it out to you guys. I know a lot of you guys aren't from this area, but surprisingly there are a lot of you guys that are from the area. So I want to advertise it out there, let you guys know when these meets are, so that we can get out. You guys can come meet me, I can come meet you guys, and we can kind of just enjoy it. So yeah, it was a definitely an enjoyable evening for what, you know, for what it was worth. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Make sure you tell a friend and tell a friend. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, what are you waiting for? Go hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. And I hope you guys like that first series of finance talk. We talked about credit. The next video, I'm planning on talking about how to pay down credit card debt. But, you know, it's open for discussion. We can change it. We can talk about something different. But, yeah, I think I've received some good feedback. So without further ado, until next video, guys, we out.